Okay. Start na po ang video. Bale, ito po yung aking gawa na risk assessment. Una-una, what is the objective goal or business matter you are seeking to achieve? Yan. Ito yung sagot ko, the objective or goal of a cybersecurity risk assessment, whether at home or in a business or school setting, is to identify, evaluate, and mitigate potential security threats that could lead to the loss, theft, or compromise of sensitive information or assets. Then, ito naman yung yung aking mga risk. Yan. Unang-una yung ito. Unsecured Wi-Fi network. Yan. Yung impact nito, dito ko nalagay kasi yung impact sa dulo. Yung impact nito is theft, internet bandwidth abuse or attack on other devices connected to the network. Then, how is risk currently managed? Yan. Syempre, para maiwasan yung ganun na mangyari sa, example, ikaw, wifi mo, nagpakabit ka ng wifi, like Converge, ganyan. Syempre, yung wifi mo, di naman pwedeng yung iba is libre lang. Yan. Kailangan mong palitan yung wifi password to a strong unique one. Ensured WPA3 encryption is enabled. Disable WPS. Regularly update the router firmware. Nandito sa amin, low medium lang to kasi halos sa mga kapitbahay namin dito may mga wifi. Impact score 2, likelihood score 5. Yan. Risk score niya is 10. Yan. Nag-multiply ko lang ng 2 and 5. Yan. Then, who should be involved in the discussion and decision making? Siyempre, yung IT staff, network administrators. Yan. Do you need to do anything else more or less to reduce or control the risk? Yun na nga, magsiset ng strong password for the Wi-Fi network, and yun nga, ayun na. Katulad rin dito kung paano ma-manage. Then, strategy, mitigate, transfer, avoid, accept, did you identify to control the risk? Yan. Enforce strong Wi-Fi security policies for all household members or staff. Responsible person or job title, household. And katulad ng yan, family member, responsible for networking and IT security. Target completion date. Yan, syempre, mga isang linggo bago mo ma-set up yan. And syempre, i-review mo every 6 months. Yun. Then, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. Weak passwords on devices and accounts. Yan. Yung mga ganito, example niyan, Google, Facebook, yung mga ganyan, Messenger. Yung impact na ito is account takeover, identity theft, and unauthorized purchases or data leakage. Yun. Meron pang may isa pang impact mararak yung FB, parang gano'n. Mararak yung account. Yan. Siyempre, paano ma-manage yan? Siyempre, gagawa ka ng implement strong and unique password for each device, account, and use password. Manager to store them securely. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Ito yung mas maganda, yung enable two-factor, kasi kapag na may nang-hack ng FB mo, malalaman mo na na may nag-o-open nun kasi may magsisend ng code. Siyempre, yung mga two-factor authentication yan, ganun yung nun yun, siyempre, yan, dito sa likelihood, medium high yan. Yung madalas, nangyari to sa akin sa FB ko. Nangyari to nung nakaraan. Kaya, nilakas ako yung security. Yan. Impact score 5, likelihood score 5, risk score 25. Who should be involved in the discussion and decision making? Siyempre, all device users. Then, do you need to do anything? Yan, para ma-reduce siya syempre. Hindi nga, gumamit nga ng unique and strong password. Like, at least 12 characters. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Kunwari, lalagay ka ng ng password. Yung may tawag dito. May caps lock. Ganyan. Sabay lalagyan mo ng tuldok, ganyan. Or at, ganyan. Strategy, mitigate, transfer, avoid, accept. Yan. Did you identify to control the risk? Yan. Siyempre, mag-create ng password policies for all devices and accounts. Siyempre, para hindi na mangyari sa ibang tao. Then, responsible person or job title. Yun nga, sabihin mo yung family member na maging responsible for managing devices and accounts para hindi nga mangyari sa kanila. Then, target completion date within 1 month for all members to set up secure password. Siyempre, kaya ganito matagal 1 month kasi nga siyempre may mga iba may pasok sa trabaho ganyan para mag meeting family meeting para gawin ito yun, mag-secure. Then dito naman tayo sa pangatlo, lack of backups. Yung impact nito is data loss due to hardware failure, ransomware attack, or accidental deletion. How is risk currently managed? Syempre, implement a robust backup strategy such as using an external hard drive or cloud storage for important data. Set up automatic backups for run regularly. Yan. Katulad ng mga iba-backup mo yan is yun, yung mga files mo. Siyempre, files, pictures. Yan, yun yung nilalagay sa mga backup. Marami pang iba, mga mo. So dito, yung mga tinatago mong lihim, diyan mo nilalagay yan sa backups. Then, likelihood mild. Impact score 5. Likelihood score 4. Risk score 20. Yan, syempre, yung sino involved dito sa ganitong decision making, syempre yung all devices, owners, and IT staff. Syempre yan, katulad nyo sa atin yan. Then, anything else more or less to reduce? Yun na nga, enable device tracking. Wait, dito pa lang sa pang-apat. Para ma-reduce siya, syempre, mag-implement ng automated backup solution for important files, cloud storage, or external hard drives. Parang katulad na nga lang yan dito kung paano i-manage. Then, mitigate, transfer, avoid, or accept. Yan. Create a backup policy para ma-avoid, syempre. Responsible person or job title, household. Yan, syempre sa household natin may mga maraming mga nagpicture. Syempre kailangan nila ng backup, lalo na kapag ay nila i-delete. Yan. Para target completion date within 1 month for setting up an automated backup system. Ito, mahirap rin to kasi matagal tong ma-set up itong backup, lalo na kapag marami yung files mo. Di naman tayo sa pangilan na to, 1, 2, 3, 5 device loss or theft. Yan. Impact na ito is unauthorized access to sensitive data, financial information, or personal photos. Yan, kunyari yan, pag nanakaw yung cellphone mo o kaya na wala, siyempre paano kung may mga ibang tao na gustong yung opinion, gustong gamitin laban sa iyo, mga ganyan. Mahirap 'yun. Para ma-manage siya, syempre, yan. Use encryption software on all devices to protect data. Install device tracking software, yan. May example tayo niyan yung katulad niya sa iPhone, Find My iPhone. Sa mga sa mga Android user, Find My Device. Yan. Then maglagay din tayo ng password or biometric login for extra security. Regularly back up important files to the cloud or an external drive. Likelihood high. Yeah. Siyempre kasi dito sa amin may mga nawawalan sabay. Minsan ganun yung nangyayari. Then impact score 5, likelihood score 5, yan. Malaki siya. Ang risk score niya is 25. Yan. Who should be involved in the discussion and decision making? Siyempre, all device owners in the household. Do you need to do anything else more or less to reduce? Siyempre, yun na nga, parang dito, katulad nga rin dito, yung sa currently manage, maglagay ng ng tracking, device tracking, siyempre, di ba? Yan. To mitigate, transfer, avoid, or accept, did you identify to control the risk? Yan. Siyempre, para ma-avoid, educate all users on securing device and the importance of tracking. Yan. Hindi naman responsible person job title. Family members responsible for device security. Yan. Para ma-complete siya is within 1 week for setting up security feature on all devices. Yan. Last one is yan, disposal of all devices. Ang impact nito is unauthorized access to personal or school-related data. Kaya kapag may lumang na cellphone, syempre, bago mo gawin yan, dito muna tayo sa paano ma-manage yan. Use data wiping software to erase all sensitive data before discarding or recycling all devices. Consider donating devices only after ensuring all data has completely wiped. Siyempre, para walang mawala sa'yo, mo na, may pa dyan yung factory data reset yan. Gawin mo yung ganun para safe yung mga files mo, data mo. Then, sa likelihood, mild, impact score 4, risk score 5, ang risk score niya is 20. Then, who should be involved? Yan na nga. Ang involved dito is all users with old or unused devices, family or members, or students or staff. Then, para nga ma-reduce or to control this risk, ensure all data is wiped from devices before disposal using data wiping software. Yun. Same yan dito. Then, to mitigate, transfer, avoid, or accept, did you identify to control the risk? And create a standard procedure for device disposal within the household or school. And yung mga sino yung mga yung mga responsible or job title. Siyempre, household, yan. Mga family members. Yan. Yung kung nagmamanage ng technology. Then, completion date. Ongoing with immediate action taken when disposing all devices. Madali lang to. I-factory data reset mo lang yung device mo. Yun. Tapos na. Or, i-run mo siya ng data wiping. Then, ito lang po yung aking mga yung mga risk assessment. Yun lang po. Marami pong salamat.